In this video, you will see how to open online Excel file in desktop app. As you can see, this file is an online file that I had opened through the OneDrive. And to open this web Excel file in desktop app, there are two ways. In the first method, you can go to the edit option here and you will see the option of open in desktop. So this is the first option. If you don't see this option, then go to the file menu and under the file menu, go to info, and here at the bottom too, you will see the option of open in desktop. So when you click on this option, a notification will appear on your web browser. You just have to click on open Microsoft Excel. Note that this window will appear until you are working in the desktop app. After clicking on open Microsoft Excel, you will see this downloading workbook and the file will open in the desktop app. Now when you type anything in this Excel, for example like this, and you go to the file option and save the file and close the file in your desktop app. After clicking on resume edit here on the web version, all the changes that you have made will be transferred to online version. In this way, you can open online Excel file in desktop app, make the changes easily and quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel online quickly. See you again in the next one.